Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics that cause most delays. Check your AirPods Pro firmware and your device OS, then update both if needed. Make sure the AirPods and case are charged to at least half, because low power can throttle Bluetooth performance. Next, disconnect or turn off nearby Bluetooth devices and position yourself 2 to 3 meters from the source to reduce interference. Once done, pair fresh. Forget the AirPods on your device and re-add them to force a clean link, which often fixes timing issues. Now you dive into settings that control latency. Start by toggling Bluetooth off and on, then reboot your phone or computer to clear software hiccups. If that doesn't solve it, perform a full AirPods reset by holding the case button until the LED flashes amber and then white. This clears corrupted pair data. While reconnecting, inspect audio settings. Set balance centered, switch noise control modes, and enable any low latency or game mode offered by the app. These steps change processing paths and reduce delay. Finish by systematically isolating the cause. Test the AirPods with several apps and play a wired reference to confirm the delay is wireless. If you still hear lag, try pairing with a different phone or computer to determine whether the source device or the AirPods themselves caused the issue. Make sure you test in a low-interference environment. If delay persists after resets and cross-device tests, contact Apple support or pursue warranty service. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue while on a support call so they can diagnose live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.